Okay, today we're going to talk about disassembling and reassembling of the Masterpiece Arms MPA 930 9mm. Okay, as with all firearms, first thing you want to do is remove the feeding device and check to make sure the chamber is empty. Okay? Now, on this pistol, there's a little pin right in there. I just use a little screwdriver. Just push that pin on out. Remove it. There's a little washer on there. There's an indent, a little spring ball, so it won't fall off. Now there's this bigger pin right there. I just take the screwdriver, go on the edge of it, push it out far enough to grab. Okay. Then the upper side receiver piece and the lower frame come apart. There's a big hole right there. Just pull it out. Pull your cocking handle out, remove the bolt. Okay, I really don't break it down farther than this. So you've got your frame, got your bolt, got your barrel upper assembly, cocking handle, your two pins, and your magazine. Now, when you want to clean it, run your patches through your barrel, scrub that out with a brush, scrub the bolt face down, scrub the bolt down, scrub your lower assembly. I just wipe down all these little parts. To reassemble, put your bolt in flat top, okay? Line up at your hole. There's a little cutout on your bolt handle. I'm going to line that up. Bend it forward. Now, this gun has to be cocked to be reassembled. So reach right in there, pull your hammer, I use my thumb, and rotate it all the way to the rear. Okay? So all you're going to do is just reach in and lock it. Now you want to get this behind, the buffer behind that. So you just kind of go in a little bit on top. Play a little bit. There you go. Make it up. It'll take a little bit to get the action done. Down right. Action's behind there. There you go. Now, big pin comes in from the flat side or the non-ejection port side. You might have to put your finger into the trigger guard and push down on the barrel a little bit to get it in there. Put your other pin in, release pressure, make sure everything's working. And there you go.